Hello to everyone. Today we are going to show you how to make custom off-canvas panels as well as pop-ups and lightboxes in Greenshift free WordPress plugin. Now you can attach custom panel action absolutely to any block on page. You only need to find interaction layer option, enable click or hover trigger and select custom panel action. Next, click on create panel button and this will make a section on page where you can put your other blocks. This section will be hidden on front end and visible on back end. It's also important to mention that whole section is fully editable and you can customize its design in the way that you want. In my case, I need to make all inner items to have white color and centered in panel, so I add these styles in my content panel layer. Practically, you can put any block and design in this area. Just remember that on front-end parent items will have special active class, so you can style them for active and not active states. Also, for making more reasonable and effective design, we added special animations to content area. Now, every block that you put inside will have this stagger animation effect. You can select another animation preset or you can disable it. The same is relevant also for parent block that is responsible for animation of panel. By default, it's set to clip effect, but you can change it or even make custom. All custom panels already includes accessibility features, option to close by escape button, proper focus action and keyboard control. You can also add your custom close element inside panel. For this, add any element that you want to use as closing element. Now you need to put special class to this element so it will work as closing. In interaction layers you can find and copy this class. Now let's test on our site to see how it's working. Instead of panels, you can use also pop-ups. Practically, pop-ups are also panels with just another appearance animation and centered on page. To get this effect, we need to have plus one more layer. All next actions will be the same. Just copy blocks that you need in your modal panel and put them in content area. When you build your page, maybe you don't want to show this area in backend when you finished configuration. So you can simply hide it. You can do this in interaction layer settings. The same way you can use to unhide it when you want to edit. You can do the same action also from panel itself from responsive options. And another one useful feature is custom lightboxes. Use it when you need video player in Lightbox because this feature automatically play all connected videos. Best way will be if you add it on link element. Then you can put YouTube video link directly as URL of link. If you use it on other blocks that have no link option, then you can put link to video directly in interaction layers. Big advantage of custom lightbox option is that it includes also accessibility options, and if you use YouTube or Vimeo, users can control attached player by keyboard. After closing panels, plugin will automatically focus on trigger element.